Well, last question, and this sort of goes to a lot of discussion there's been in Australia over the last 10 years really, which is, do we take too short a term view of investment anyway in Australia? That we tend to be, you know, there tends to be a knee-jerk reaction to just about anything about investment, and no one kind of looks at superannuation or anything else as the long-term investment it's supposedly meant to be. And I'll go to the planner again with this, Claire. I mean, are we too focused on the short term?
Well, when I'm sitting down with my clients, they're certainly not focused on the short term, because the noise and the media and the things they're reading is very much the short term. But their goals are, will I be able to afford my retirement when I'm 85, when I'm 90, and that's a long way away for a lot of them. And so we're constantly reanalyzing the strategies today. What's the likelihood of being able to still fund the lifestyle that you desire, with rising health costs, with all the other costs that we know are going to go up? So we're constantly looking at that longer term play, and it's not just their super, it's their whole investment world and strategy. The concern is that they are constantly being bombarded with nightly news and daily updates, because the market is, you know, priced every day, and it is difficult to withstand the volume of noise being created. The big concern is, in the short term, the volatility, the continued uncertainty, and that is where we're sitting down with our clients, and in these uncertain times, sitting down with them more often too, and taking them through the strategies for their situation and continuing to assess their particular circumstance. Because at the end of the day, the clients, you know, want to know the market in general and the world in general, but ultimately it's their money, and they want to know more about them and their situation. So that is something that in difficult times planners actually earn their keep, because that's when we're working intensely with our clients around both the short-term implications of this information in their circumstance, but also the longer-term play for them.